Today I am going to show you how to make the double crochet increase. It is much needed to make this type of flat circles. Now this is a baby hat and it has a flat circle at the top of the hat. So to increase the circumference of each circle, you have to use the double crochet increase. Here I have used double crochet stitches, and in each circle it should be increased, otherwise the circumference cannot be increased. So today I am going to show you how to make this type of increase used in a flat circle of a hat. To start the work, I am going to have a ring of 4 chains. So make a slip knot, then make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the first chain insert the hook and grab the yarn and pull through this loop. That is a slip stitch. So you will have a small ring of 4 chains. Then make 3 chains. Now we are going to make double crochets into this circle. So we have to add 11 double crochets including these 3 chains. Finally it will be 12 double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook to the center of the circle, grab the yarn and release 2 loops, then release another 2 loops. One is done. Again likewise you have to complete up to 12 DCs including this chain 3 part. Now I have made 11 DCs and these 3 chains all together. There are 12 DCs. Now I am going to join with a slip stitch to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. Insert the hook here into the third chain, then grab the yarn and pull through this loop. Now you made the circle. Now we are going to increase the circumference of this circle by adding 2 double crochets in each stitch. So there should be 24 double crochets. To each double crochet of the previous row you have to make 2 double crochets. So again, to get the height we make chain 3 and this is considered as 1 double crochet, and into the same place I have to add another double crochet. So this is counted as 2 double crochets. Now to the next stitch again 2 double crochets have to be added. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch of double crochet of the previous row, make 1 double crochet, and to the same stitch, that means the increase, another double crochet. Now there are 2 increases, one with this chain 3 and the other is with 2 double crochets. Then again yarn over into the next stitch, 2 double crochets. 1 2. Likewise you have to complete the row, the round, then you will get 24 double crochets. Now the second round is completed. There are 24 double crochets. Then join to the third chain of the beginning 3 chains with a slip stitch. Now the circumference is increased. Then if you want more circles, you have to again make increases. So this time again make 3 chains to get the height, and to the same place make a DC to make an increase. Then the pattern is like this. Increase and normal DC and increase, normal DC and increase. Likewise you have to complete the row. There should be 36 stitches. Now we'll do the normal double crochet, then increase. Again single one, then an increase. Likewise the pattern is single double crochet and increase, single one and increase. Likewise you have to complete the round. Now join to the third chain of the beginning 3 chains with a slip stitch. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then in the fourth row you have to make again chain 3 and make 1 DC to the base of that chain 3, and this is an increase. Now the next increase will be done after adding 2 single double crochets separately. In one into this and another to the next. Then to the next, in an increase. Again 2 separate DCs, then an increase. Likewise you can complete the round. So 1 2 3 4. In the fifth round you have to make the very first increase in the first stitch. Then after adding 3 single double crochets, 3 separate double crochets, then the increase. The pattern is 3 separate double crochets, then an increase, 3 an increase, 3 an increase. Likewise you can increase the circumference of the flat circle. Then again in the next round, first increase is after doing the first increase, make 4 separate double crochets, then the increase, 4 separate double crochets and then the increase. Likewise you can increase the flat circle as you desired. So you can measure the length of the flat circle as the pattern says, then you can stop the increase in the circumference. Then next part you can do, again we have to do decreases, and later you can add the granny squares like this. In another tutorial I will show you how to make that granny square and the other parts. Okay, thank you for watching.